Hello, my name is Kathleen Smith, and I am the 21st Century E-Communications Facilitator at Olathe Northwest High School, and I'm also the Entertainment Video Instructor. I teach junior and senior capstone students within our 21st Century Academy, and I work for the Olathe School District, and I also am on the ONEA Executive Board and co-founder of the Racial and Social Justice Cadre in Olathe. I want to be a school administrator because I want to make a positive change on the culture of a school building for students. I want them to see their school as an opportune place where that they can grow and they can learn and they'll be challenged and they can succeed. I want every student to feel valued and acknowledged, and I want every student to feel safe and secure. I feel like I can make the biggest impact as a school administrator because I can help direct the culture of that school building. And I hope to bring a positivity and a hope to the teachers of the school as well. Finally, I hope to motivate others to work hard for the students and to push themselves to give students the best academic opportunity. Now, my experience in leadership is very full. I was a store manager for Gap stores for almost 10 years before I started teaching. And in those 10 years, I led many associate managers, assistant managers, and a large sales staff in sales generation, operations, and merchandising. And I learned to lead by example. This will be my 4th year in the classroom as a teacher, and my approach to teaching is the same approach that I used when I was a manager. In management, I learned to train others so that I could see them succeed. This became my passion as I saw my managers underneath me grow and get their own stores. I also realized how much I loved developing people. I now empower my fellow e-communication teachers as the 21st Century Facilitator and also my students in their own individual productive roles. I feel leaders are important because they set the tone of the organization, and this can be a positive or a negative tone based on their own personality and how they lead the organization. And it is my goal as a leader to include everyone and make sure that everyone passionately works to better our school. And I believe I can do that through communication and collaboration. My strengths in school finance is that I did run Gap stores for over 10 years. So I handled the operational side of many multi-million-dollar stores for years. I learned the importance of the bottom line and how to allocate expenses for supplies, inventory, staffing, and also just the importance of gross margins. Now, my weaknesses are learning the ins and outs of educational finance. What are principals responsible for within their budget and what is required from them from the district? Also, I want to learn what guidelines to follow. I am excited to be a part of this class and to begin this new journey with you. Everyone have a great day.